real-time visibility solutions for healthcare. The SmartX HUB web platform enables healthcare facilities to maximize the return on investment from their asset management processes. It's more than just a hospital tracking system. It provides actionable location and condition data across the entire healthcare enterprise. The SmartX HUB platform leverages auto-identification and industrial IoT technologies and integrates with your existing business systems. It can manage asset lifecycle information, automate enterprise asset management business processes, deliver proactive alert notifications, and provide actionable business intelligence. Let's take a few minutes to walk through the main features of the SmartX HUB cloud platform. Unified Asset Management Platform. The SmartX HUB platform uses an intuitive web interface to search for tagged assets or people with real-time results, now appearing on a map and in motion status. Critical events appear as they occur, and users can see the historical trail of where assets have been. A simple point-and-click interface assures easy navigation. Multiple search results and assets are displayed on a map along with identifying icons. Assets can be grouped by categories, departments, cost center, and grouping names, and a wide variety of asset data can be imported and batch managed. The system analytically shows when assets are checked out, how long they are checked out, and approaching warranty dates. The user is able to schedule and perform desired maintenance repairs on equipment by determining when it has reached a certain milestone, such as a calibration deadline, mileage point, an expiration date, or expired licenses. Floor Mapping Module. The system displays facility map views of specific assets or groups of assets from a web-based application. Choose from floor map or list view of specific departments and the entire facility. Visualize your operations with customizable maps powered by the collection and transmission of your item's data in real time. With a single click, users can access a map of the hospital indicating the location of their required device. Alert Module. Alerts may be configured to improve inventory management, recall management, and preventative maintenance. Numerous events like entering, exit, overflow, shortage, dwell time, absence, and asset stock level trigger multiple alerts and notifications by email, web service, or even changing the on-screen status of the asset for automating and improving business processes. The SmartX HUB platform's robust event engine is used to create a wide variety of business events based on asset location, movement, status, telemetry, or other input. The platform contains more than a dozen different types of event monitors, configurable by a simple wizard interface. These events can immediately trigger external messages in the form of web services, messages to the web user, email, or changing the on-screen status of the asset. Report Module. Customers can use their visibility data to create both standard and custom reports in graphic or chart format. The SmartX HUB platform includes built-in report types and the ability to create custom reports without coding. Transform your item's data into detailed reports, dashboards, and maps that can help accelerate your drive time and mission-critical decisions. User Authorization Module. The SmartX HUB platform also features a flexible and powerful user authorization, specifying exactly what assets and locations a user is authorized to see. User Interface. The SmartX HUB platform user interface is available in both standard and handheld edition for mobile devices. The platform is scalable to handle hundreds of thousands of assets and also act as a single source for displaying distributed data from sources around the world. Integration. Now, all of the information within the SmartX HUB platform is available via API or Excel files, enabling third-party applications such as Enterprise Resource Planning or CMMS systems. Solution benefits. The SmartX HUB platform automates manual processes for managing capital and rented equipment and other assets. It also offers powerful visual analytics that delivers entirely new levels of operational insights for immediate action, historical views, and trend analysis. Patient and asset tracking are providing strong benefits for hospitals today. Contact us now for more information or for a complete demo.